We're going to performance test the Varla Eagle One right now. I'm going to put it into turbo mode and dual motor mode, and the same settings I've used on a lot of the other similar scooters, so I'd have a comparison and I'll give you a little data graph compared to some of the other scooters I think you might be looking at when you're looking at this scooter from a performance standpoint. So one of the limiting factors when you're doing acceleration on even a 52 volt scooter like this is really wheel spin. So there's like, you know, some of this is skill at a certain point, so you can actually improve on the acceleration and also the braking by, you know, your familiarity with this scooter, familiar with the suspension, how everything fits you. All those things will actually get a little bit better. Now we're gonna put on the brakes. Whoa, Nelly. Whoops-a-daisy. Try to minimize wheel spin. That's why I average these 4 times. That's why I try to walk in a straight line sometimes. There we go. Yeah. 14 feet even. New tires, you'll end up having a little better traction when these wear in a little bit. But I've tested all these scooters at the same state when they're very much new like this. Comparison data, baby. Oh boy, that rear really wants to... You get the suspension a little more dialed in. It seems like it's kind of diving a little more in the front, so that back tire is taking some weight off, so it's skidding a little bit. Again, I use the stock suspension settings when I do these braking tests. $13.9. I'm pretty damn consistent though. Probably need the scooter. All right, so the Varla Eagle One. I mean, it's got plenty of zip. With 2,000 watt motors, even with 52 volts. I mean, traction is really your enemy from an acceleration standpoint. And these Zoom hydraulic brakes, they do stop good. You know, there's some other brakes that have a little better modulation. You could probably get a little better braking performance with a more expensive brake, but the price for performance is probably negligible. So let's do a hill climb, whatever, you know, go up a hill. We're gonna go up a hill. This is a 14% slope in the steepest part. Varla says they can climb a 30% slope. This is gonna fly right up this. So I just wanna show you. 3, 2, 1. With a dual motor scooter, like with basically 2,000 watts, a hill like this, pretty much no hill is going to be an obstacle for you. It just isn't with this much power. You know, if you're a bigger rider, you'll see more performance jumping up in voltage. But for almost everybody that the weight limit of 330 pounds will accommodate, we'll find the performance on this more than adequate. I mean, I just blew up that hill. Boom. So how fast it will go? I just showed you how fast to climb the hill. We just did it. We're going to show you how far this thing goes.